Hey there YouTube, Brenda Petrella here, and today I have a really exciting announcement to share with you. But before we get to that, I first wanted to say just thank you so much to all of you who have continued to subscribe to the channel, even though I haven't been able to produce new content in the last year or so. As many of you know, last year I busted my knee taking care of our cows. I needed knee surgery, and then my partner and I welcomed our baby girl into the world in December. Maya is now just about 10 months old, crawling and giggling and laughing and just loving the world, loving the outdoors, and she's been just great. But I have not been able to do a lot of my own photography, and I certainly haven't been able to create new videos. But all of that is about to change. So my big announcement is that I've created a new website called outdoorphotographyschool.com. And so Outdoor Photography School is going to be an online resource for aspiring photographers and outdoor enthusiasts who want to improve their photography and also reconnect with nature. And so all of the articles and resources will be focused on landscape and nature photography, but it will also include outdoor skills and how to improve those. Because we really need both photography skills and outdoor skills in order to be effective at landscape or nature photography. And so I hope you check it out. I hope you like it. The plan is that I will be producing about 2 articles a month over on Outdoor Photography School, and I'm 1 to 2 videos a month here on the YouTube channel, and the content will just be supplementary to each other. So you can continue to watch the YouTube channel as well as enjoy the content over on Outdoor Photography School. And so I hope I see you there. I also have a few new videos coming up. One is going to be about post-processing fall foliage, because as you can see here in the state of Vermont, we are in the middle of fall foliage season. Second, I'm going to create a video about how to use layers and layer masks in Photoshop. And third, I'm going to also do like a Q&A video that are going to answer a lot of the questions that you guys have been posting to the videos over the last year. And so until then, I hope you guys get outside with your cameras and enjoy some fresh air, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.